Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make a cauliflower cake for which we need 3 eggs and we need to start with breaking them. We'll need also some sour cream, flour and cauliflower, of course. And let's start with breaking those eggs, adding to them 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and going on with mixing them together. Here it is. Repeat everything like as you see in the video. After, we need to add 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Mix this as well. Good to go. Add a little bit of salt, half teaspoon of red pepper, and continue mixing this. We will also need to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to this mixture. Add this to the mixture as well and continue mixing it. Now let's go to the cauliflowers. We need to boil them in the water beforehand from 5 to 10 minutes and then take the pan, put some olive oil onto that as well and put the cauliflowers there. Now it is the time for adding the mixture that we have just prepared. Add it to the top of the cauliflowers, like as you see in the video, and put it to be cooked from 15 to 20 minutes. Whenever you see that the egg is boiled, that is ready to be cut it down and served. We hope that you will like this recipe and you'll share it with your friends. Good appetite!